20th Century Fox was founded in the year 1935, and since then it has become one of the largest film and TV studios in the world. They are responsible for movies such as Avatar, the Ice Age series, and the X-Men franchise. With most of their blockbuster movies making a lot of money in the box office, Fox were continuing to grow as a company. Late in 2017, news broke that the Walt Disney Company was looking to buy Fox and build their company portfolio and the TV offerings. When this news broke, in the next coming months Disney had made an undisclosed offer to Fox, but within days one of Disney's biggest competitors, Comcast, also placed an offer, which was believed to be better as they were offering cash instead of shares like Disney. In July of 2018, Comcast pulled out of the purchase as Disney had raised their offering for the Fox Corporation. Once Fox and Disney had agreed terms, they proceeded with the merger. The main reason Disney wanted to buy Fox was to obtain the older Star Wars movies for their upcoming Disney Plus streaming service, so that all were available under one place and under Disney's control. Another huge part of the deal was to bring over Marvel characters that Fox held the movie rights for, so that Disney could build upon their already successful MCU. In March of 2019, it was announced that the merger will be completed sometime within the coming week. As stated, it did complete that week, and as of the 20th of March, Disney now owned Fox. A month has passed since the merger, and we already have news that Disney will be incorporating Fox's IPs into their newly announced Disney Plus streaming service. This was announced with a very funny advert that included The Simpsons. With that, I look forward to what the future holds for these IPs and what it may bring to the Disney parks.